In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Airtable data in just 5 minutes. Airtable, as many of you might already know, is an incredibly versatile tool for database management and next-gen app creation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, understanding how to back up your data is absolutely critical. Today we'll walk through these steps seamlessly, ensuring your valuable information is secure. First, you're going to need to access Airtable. Open your web browser and head over to the Airtable website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see options to either sign up or sign in. Since we're assuming you already have an account, go ahead and click on sign in. If you don't see this option right away, it's usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to log into your account securely. Once you're logged in, you should be automatically directed to the Airtable homepage. If you aren't, just make sure to navigate there. This is your central dashboard showing your available bases. From here, move your attention to the specific base you'd like to back up. Click on it to open. A base, if you're not familiar, is akin to a database or workbook that contains all your structured information in Airtable. With your base open, look at the top of your screen. You'll need to locate a small arrow pointing downwards. This icon is generally found near the base's name and can easily be missed if you're not looking for it. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. It's worth mentioning that this shortcut is your key to a variety of options related to the management of your base. Within this drop-down menu, look for the option labelled Import Data. Click on Import Data, which might seem counterintuitive since it implies adding data rather than exporting it. However, this is actually where you handle backups and other data management tasks. The subsequent window allows you to choose import options, but more importantly, it's your launching point for any other operations you might want to conduct in the future. Remember, while this is a simple process, maintaining regular backups of your data is a highly advisable practice. It safeguards against accidental deletions or errors that might occur during your workflow. Keeping backups ensures that any changes you make in your base won't result in permanent data loss. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully walked through the steps necessary to back up your Airtable data. Feel free to revisit these instructions whenever you need a refresher, and stay tuned for more tips on how to optimize your Airtable experience. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.